Hello, this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we'll be unboxing the new Huawei P40 Pro Plus. This comes with an amazing amount of photography equipment in one little phone. This phone has two cameras on the front and an incredible amount of cameras on the back. You've got five cameras on the back, two on the front engineered by Leica technology. So there's two on the front. There's a nice screen right there. This has a high refresh rate. As you can see, there's two cameras right there. So a total of 7 cameras. Pretty amazing. Has a high refresh rate, 512 gigs of ROM and 8 gigs of RAM. But what's really cool is that camera cluster in the back. It has a periscope camera right there. Have the flash. There's an ultra-wide and regular wide angle camera. There's also a TOF camera as well. But we'll get further inside the box. There's some more goodies here. Has a SIM eject tool right there. There's dual SIM card slot on this phone, so you can have 2 SIM cards with 2 different phone numbers if you'd like. And the famous Huawei SuperCharge charger. This is a 40-watt charger. USB Type A port right there. This, of course, is not made for the US, so you can just convert this into a US plug if you need to. Then they also give you the charging and sync cable. This is USB Type C and USB Type A. So there's the C and there's the A. And then another nice accessory that they give you is a Usbc wired headphones. Most of us have wireless headphones now, but it's a nice addition that they're giving people. A lot of manufacturers don't give you headphones anymore, so that's a good addition. This is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. And we are showcasing the new Huawei P40 Pro Plus with an incredible 7 cameras, Leica technology, and 512 gigabits of ROM.